This video meets the growing demand for wireless Android to PC mirroring. It offers a step-by-step guide for users who want to stream videos or movies on a larger screen, play games with a wider view, or present content seamlessly without the need for cables. To mirror your Android screen on your PC, we'll be using AnyMiro. First, click the download link provided in the description to visit the official AnyMiro download page. Next, click on the download button and wait for the file to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, open the file and follow the installation instructions. That's it. AnyMiro is now ready to use. Let's see how you can mirror your Android device on a PC using Wi-Fi. First, open AnyMiro and select the Android option. This tool also works for iOS and iPads, but we're using Android for now. Now you will see both the Wi-Fi and USB options. Click on the Wi-Fi option, then you need to do these 3 steps. First, click on the Scan QR code button to install AnyMiro, or you can install it from the Google Play Store as well. I'm clicking on Scan QR code. Now, bring your Android device and scan the code, then click on the link that pops up. Next, click on the download button and wait for a while. After the download is complete, click Install. Once it's installed, open AnyMiro on your Android. You'll see options for USB connection and Wi-Fi connection. Select Wi-Fi connection. Now, allow the required permissions on your phone, then you will see the available devices. Find AnyMiro and click on Connect. Once connected, you are ready to mirror. Simply click on Start Now. Now you can see that your Android device is smoothly mirroring on your PC. You can mirror whatever you want. For example, I'm playing the Mobile Legends game. Now you can enjoy the larger screen and an enhanced experience. Without any interruptions or lag, you can see how smoothly it is playing. It's truly awesome. Let me know your thoughts in the comments box. Now let's explore some amazing features like taking screenshots and screen recording while mirroring. Gamers, you're going to love this tool. To take a screenshot, simply click here. You can instantly view it. Easy, right? Now let's see how you can record your mobile screen on your PC while mirroring. It's just as simple. Click here, and your screen starts recording with audio seamlessly, without interrupting the mirroring process. Let me enjoy the wider view on my PC while playing the game. But wait, this tool isn't just for gaming, it's also perfect for presentations. I'll show you how that works in just a moment. For now, let's check out how the video was recorded. To stop recording, simply click here. Then click on View to play the video. See, the video is recorded perfectly. For presentations, simply open your file and rotate your screen to landscape mode, and present whatever you want, just like I'm presenting this. You can even screen record while doing it. Isn't that easy? Yes, it is. Sometimes an unstable Wi-Fi connection can lead to inevitable delays, affecting the screen mirroring experience. Therefore, AnyMiro also offers a more stable and smoother USB connection option, ensuring better display performance for your Android content. The initial steps are straightforward, just like downloading and installing AnyMiro on your PC and Android mobile. Once installed, open AnyMiro, select Android, and then choose USB. Next, take your USB cable and connect it between your mobile and PC. After the USB connection is established, the next step will appear. Don't worry, it's simple, and I'll explain. Basically, the process may vary depending on your Android device, and the steps shown are tailored to your specific device. So, follow them accordingly, just as I'm doing. The most important part is enabling developer options and USB debugging. Once that's done, AnyMiro is ready to use with USB. As you can see, the mirroring is incredibly smooth. Now you can mirror whatever you want. Literally, it's so smooth. Let me know which method you like the most or what you think about the mirroring results. I hope you've learned all the steps to use AnyMiro. That's it for today's video. Let's see you in the next one.